Good morning, students. So this is the unit number first, Laplace transform. This is the lecture number 13. Okay. So after that we have studied the first shifting theorem. What is the first shifting theorem? That is Laplace transform of e to the power minus at f of t is equal to f of s plus a. एक e and दूसरा f of t असेल तर first shifting theorem. For second shifting theorem, capital F of t, it has two value. First is the small f of t minus a, t greater than a, other is 0, t is less than a. Then Laplace transform of capital F of t is e to the power minus as into f of s. Okay. So what is the change of scale? That is Laplace transform of f of a t is equal to 1 by a f of s by a. What about the last theorem? That is multiplication theorem, that we have studied that. Okay, that is Laplace transform of t to the power n into f of t is equal to minus 1 to the power n d to the power n by ds to the power n into f of s. In last lecture, in last two previous lecture, that is, this is the lecture number 13. In lecture number 11 we have studied the proof of this theorem, and in lecture number 12 we have solved the example depends upon this theorem. Again, for more practice, we will take the example depends upon the multiplication by powers of t theorem. So see here, when this theorem is useful, when any function of t in that there is a multiplication of t, the power of t, then its solution is the take minus 1 to the power that number. Here is my n. If its power is 2, then take here 2. If its power is 2, then 2 times derivative. D by ds means what? Derivative. If power is n, take the derivative n times. Power is 2, then take the derivative 2 times. Into f of s. How will take the f of s? How will you got the f of s? By taking the Laplace transform of this small f of t, then we will get the f of s. Okay. So will they see the example? Example number first. Today's example number first. Laplace transform of t into sin wt. So for this, no one theorem is useful. Means what? First shifting theorem is not useful. For second shifting theorem, it requires small f of t minus a, other is 0. For change of scale, it requires t in multiply that there is any constant. But this theorem is useful for this. This is a, see here, this is f of t and this is the t. So by comparing with multiplication by powers of t theorem. So Laplace transform of t to the power n f of t is minus 1 to the power n d to the power n by ds to the power n into f of s. Okay. So Laplace transform, what is our problem? T into sin wt. So its answer must be in that way, minus 1. So first compare this. What is the f of t? Here f of t is multiply of that t, that is f of t. Term which is multiplying that t, that is called as f of t. जे t च्या multiply मध्ये असते ते f of t. t च्या multiply मध्ये f of t. So f of t is the sin wt. Okay. And what is the n? The power of this t is 1, the power of n is. So here take n is 1, so d by ds. Okay. So only take here f of s and find its derivative, you will get the last answer. So how will take the f of s? Using this. Okay, so we know that Laplace transform of f of t means what? F of s. So with the help of this Laplace transform of this f of t, so Laplace transform of sin wt, that is w, by using the standard formula. What is the Laplace of sin wt? Here sin at, a by s square plus s square, so s square plus w square. This is the f of s. Okay, so from this step, hence put this value f of s means what? W by s square plus w is a constant here, w by s square plus w square. So put here Laplace transform of sin, sorry, this called as omega t minus 1 d by ds of this f of s, omega by s square plus omega square. Okay, so just to take its derivative, you will get the last answer minus 1. You have got the f of s. So how will you find its derivative? So omega is the constant, d by ds 1 upon s square plus w square. Okay, only s is the variable here, remember that. So minus 1, w is a constant, d by ds s square plus w square to the power minus. What we have got? We will continue. Laplace transform of t into sin wt minus 1 w d by ds of s square plus w square to the power 1. So we know the general rules of to find the derivative. D by dx of x to the power n is what? n times x to the power n minus 1, again d by dx of x. Hence Laplace transform of t into sin wt is equal to minus 1 w, so this power shift that side, s square plus w square to the power minus 1, and d by ds of s square plus w square. So w s square plus w square to the power minus 2, derivative of this s square is 2s. So finally you will get 2ws divided by s square plus w square bracket square. So this is the Laplace transform of t into sin wt. Okay, this is the last answer of the given problems. So now we will see next problems. Today's next problems. Question is that question only ask in that way, solve the question, given question. Okay, solve Laplace transform of t into sin 3t plus 4. Okay, now we will start. By multiplication of powers of t theorem, multiplication by powers of t theorem. What is the theorem? Theorem is that Laplace transform of t to the power n f of t is minus 1 to the power n d to the power n by ds to the power n into f of s. Okay, so the given problem is that Laplace transform of t to the power n sin 3t plus 4 is here. See, this is a 1, sorry. Okay, so compare this problem. Here f of t, what is the f of t? Sine 3t plus 4. What is the n? N is the 1. Okay, so its answer is the minus 1 to the power 1. Here take the 1 times derivative because value of n is 1 into f of s. We require the f of s. How will you find the f of s? Take the Laplace transform of this f of t, you will get the f of s. Okay, so we'll find its Laplace transform. So Laplace transform of this f of t is Laplace transform of sine 3t plus 4. But we don't know the Laplace transform of sine 3t plus 4. This is a constant. We know the Laplace transform of sine 3t. Okay, how will find the Laplace transform of sine 3t? See here, Laplace transform of sine at is a by s square plus s square. This is standard formula of the Laplace transform. But we don't know the Laplace transform of sine 3t plus 4. How to find the Laplace transform of this? To finding the Laplace transform of this, we required use the trigonometric ratio, that is use this formula sine a plus b. Okay, so this call as this call as a and this call as b. 3t call as a and 4 call as b, and separate them firstly, then try to find it. Okay, so you will get here sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b. Hence this is the Laplace transform of this f of t. See here, we require the f of s. So for this I am finding the f of t, Laplace transform of t. So Laplace transform of this f of t is Laplace transform of sine 3t cos 4 cos 3t sine 4. Okay, so cos 4 is the constant. Keep outside. Laplace transform of sine 3t. Sine 4 is the constant. Laplace transform of cos 3t. So cos 4 is the constant. Find the Laplace transform of this. We know the Laplace transform of sine 3t. What is this Laplace transform of sine 3t? At is 3 by s square plus 3 square is the 9. Sine 4 is a constant. What is the Laplace transform of this? Cos, that is s by s square plus 9. This is the Laplace transform of f of. So finally f of t, its Laplace is what? This is the 3 cos 4 divided by s square plus 9 s into sine 4 divided by s square plus 9. This is the f of s. Okay, Laplace transform of this f of t, this is the f of s. Remember that. Okay, after finding this f of s, here put this value of f of s in this bracket and find its derivative, then we will get the last answer. Okay, so we continue that. Next step. So see here, I am writing this step: t into sine 3t plus 4 minus 1 d by ds of this f of s. Here f of s. Okay, I am writing this f of s. Laplace transform of t into sine 3t plus 4 minus 1 d by ds of f of s. F of s is the 3 cos 4 divided by s square plus 9 s sine 4 divided by s square plus 9. Okay, now we will start this finding the derivative. Minus 1. Okay, so this curly bracket, apply this d by ds to this term and this term. So 3 is a constant, cos 4 is a constant. You are taking the derivative only with respect to s. So other than s, you can take outside the terms. So this is a d by ds of 1 upon s square plus 9 plus this sine 4 is also constant. Sine आणि ह्या 4 हे कॉन्स्टंट आहे. फक्त राहिलं काय डी बाय डी एस ऑफ दिस एस बाय एस स्क्वेअर प्लस 9. तुम्ही फक्त एस बाहेर घेऊ शकत नाही. इथं पण एस आहे, इथं पण एस आहे. ओके, याचं साइन. सो विल फाइंड इट्स डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. त्याचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कसं काढायचं तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. सो विल नेक्स्ट -1 3 cos 4 its derivative. How will find its derivative? D by ds of s square plus 9 to the power -1. Okay, plus this sine 4 is a constant. How will you find its derivative? This call as u and this whole term call as v. Apply u by v rule. What is u by v rule? V as it is, s square plus 9 as it is, derivative of u, derivative of s with respect to s 1 minus this s as it is, u as it is, derivative of v, derivative of s square is the 2s and derivative of 9 is the 0, divided by v square, that is s square plus 9 its bracket square. Okay, is it clear everyone? So next we'll start Laplace transform of t into sin 3t plus 4 is equal to -1 3 cos 4. How to find its derivative? Take power in front and take its from -1 and take again derivative of this bracket. So you will get here -1 s square plus 9 to the power -2 d by, बघा पावर पुढे आला, पावर मधून एक मायनस, हे आपला कन्सेप्ट माहित आहे सगळ्यांना, कुठली d by dx of n times x to the power n minus 1 त्याप्रमाणे. ओके, अगेन derivative of this basic term. So this is a first bracket plus second bracket plus this sine 4. Yeah, what will get? S square plus 9 minus 2s square s square plus 9 bracket square. Okay, is it clear everyone? So next, see here -1. So see here, this what will get -3. So this is the first bracket, -3 into cos 4. So take this lower side, s square plus 9 to the power 2, derivative of s square is 2s and derivative of 9 is the 0, first bracket, plus sine 4, next 9 minus s square plus 9 bracket square. This is the first bracket, this is the second bracket. So derivative is solved. Okay, here this is also derivative is solved. So this is the last problems and this is the last solution of that given problem. So this is example number second. Today's example number second. Up to that we have studied the, in last lecture we have studied the 3 to 4 example and this is the 2 example. So total examples are the 5. Okay, again there are some example in which मल्टिप्लिकेशन प्रॉपर्टी ॲज वेल ॲज फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी असे काही एक्झाम्पल आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला बघा फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी पण यूज करायचं आहे आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन पण यूज करायचं आणि फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी पण यूज करायची आहे, ते पण आपण एक्झाम्पल बघायचं आहे आपल्याला. ओके, कारण काय हे जो थेरम आहे फर्स्ट शिफ्टिंग थेरम आणि मल्टिप्लिकेशन थेरम, बोथ थेरम्स आर द व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर टू सॉल्विंग द एक्झाम्पल्स. ओके, अगेन वी विल टेक नेक्स्ट वन ऑफ द लेक्चर depends upon that multiplication theorems. Okay, so in next lecture we will take some difficult example which will maybe come in our examination. Okay, so do the more practice for this. If you have more example to do for doing the practice, then call me, I will give questions on this. Otherwise I will give a tutorial assignment particularly on this topic. Okay, so today we will stop here. In next lecture we will start again example depends upon multiplication theorems.